Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. Round 3 with the project integration team. Today we're going to talk about clash detection. Clash detection is a process of eliminating interferences inside of models. This process helps to eliminate many unforeseen issues that arise during normal field installation. During the process, reports can be generated that enable unparalleled communication between design and construction teams. Using clash detection, VEC eliminates field rework and downtime by resolving these issues prior to construction.